Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom So Po near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Victorium ka Dukan ki Tiar Kilan Met ka Babhatam Hakador ka Babit Han Nongtrei Old Beat House Shillong.
Ki Nongtrei jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council ki badan hapo ka Shatri jong ka Non-Gazetted Employees Association kila penlong da ka jingya Shong kelany mangor hanong ba Shillong halor ka jingbom yo Tulop mentala lai puway Bnai kenti kat hado bakalakta ya ka yeng kasem bat ya ka yo ka kot ka jongki hakani ka jingya ki bala penlong Hamadan Malki ki don kumba arpusan ngut ki dikhot jong ka ne ka kenhon ki bala yashim banta hakani ka sngi Hakajingya keren bat ka Batisi TV u Presiden jong ka Association Usinora Johnny Areng ula ong baki don ki bahaying hasem jong ki Nongtrei ka District Council ki balado e yala ka jingem tang na ka daw bakim don lat ban lait shim dawai namar baki Nongtrei hagani ka office kim shim layo Tulop menta de ki phau Bnai kad hado baki lamat ya ka jing hiran bat ka jing sertok ka bakraw hado kata-kata.
We came here just to express our grievances that we have not got our salaries for 31 months, and within these 31 months our beloved friends and our uncle and aunts, they have to lose their life without a proper medical treatment and such things, and moreover this our children, some of them are school dropouts also. So we have done in a proper way, and we have filed a petition in the High Court regarding the Human Rights Commission. Okay, let's see. But we came here to Shillong just to express our grievances in a higher way, like we have done in Tura. Only Tura people came to know that we are suffering from such crisis in economic crisis in Ghadc. So we came here to express, let others also know who are staying in Meghalaya. This is because of we don't have a finance rule and service rule. That's why whenever new MDCs used to come, they make new appointments and brought Ghadc to the higher numbers of employees. As per Madam Ruk say that Ghadc Secretary's statement in High Court, it came to 1,704. The money is just to release our 31 month salary, so that we can have our rights, so that we can let our children to study properly in time. We have to pay their dues. We have to run our families, and we have to come and go to and fro from office to home. Such things, so that we can, day-to-day life survival. No, we need the money. We need ourselves to strengthen our family. But we waited for a month, and then they didn't have any answers. They didn't approach to us. They didn't call us. That is why we came here to Shillong, so that everyone will know that we are suffering for 31 months without salary, so that everyone will know. We will express that our grievances is much better than before, much worse than before. When we were in Tura for doing our hunger strike, that time Chief Minister was in Tura. He came to Government College to inaugurate government college for college bus. But at that time, we thought that he will come to Ghadc and meet us. But unfortunately, our hope was suddenly broke when he didn't come to us. He didn't talk to us, and silently he went back. First, we wait for High Court result. Then, if we are not satisfied with the result, we decided to move to higher court, that is Supreme Court. See, we tried to boycott the selection. Yes, obviously we'll do, because even if the new executive member also, they will also start saying that this backlog has been created by the old executive committees, and they will pay starting from where they were started their executive new body. They will start from there. So the thing is that first, before the executive committee has started, no, they have to pay the all. We demand that all salaries should be cleared before the new ECs come.